What's the meaning of aggressively? Aggressively. 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 Aggressively means to act in a forceful or combative manner towards a person or thing. When someone behaves aggressively, they are likely to pursue their goals with a great deal of energy, often with little regard for the consequences of their actions. This kind of behavior can result in a variety of outcomes, depending on the situation. For instance, aggressive behavior in a confrontation could lead to a physical altercation or a heated argument. In a business setting, aggressive tactics could lead to successful negotiations or a breakdown in communication and relationships with clients or colleagues.